this session, we shift our focus from the baby's instincts to the mother's incredible biology. At the Parentis Program, we believe that when you understand the why behind what you feel, you can navigate the early days of motherhood with much greater ease. Did you know that just thinking about your baby can trigger a physical reaction in your body? Today, we're going inside the science of lactation to discover how two tiny hormones, Prolactin and Oxytocin, work together to create and deliver your milk. From the tingle of the letdown to the way your emotions affect your supply, we're uncovering the fascinating partnership between your mind and your body. Stay with us to learn how to make your biology work for you. Welcome back to Parentis' breastfeeding training. The production of mother's milk is one of the most complex and perfectly timed processes in nature. It isn't just a physical act, it's a hormonal symphony, triggered by your baby. Dr. Catalin Charley, neonatologist, pediatrician, and international board-certified lactation consultant, explains how your body starts the delivery process. The mother's organism is producing the milk for the baby through a complex process. There are some reflexes of the mother playing a part in producing and letting down the milk for the baby. The milk production is controlled by a hormone called prolactin. The baby stimulates the release of this hormone by sucking your nipple. The same way with the other hormone called oxytocin, which is needed to let down the milk. If these two hormones are released by the reflexes, then the letdown reflex starts to function, and all these help to deliver the milk to the mouth of the baby. For many mothers, the arrival of milk and the reflex that releases it comes with very distinct physical sensations. Some describe it as a tension that needs to be released. It is a relief when she sucks it out. You can feel when the baby sucks and the milk is coming out from the milk containers. The breast is heavy and hard. At the beginning, it can hurt a little bit until you get used to it, but then it goes well. Another mother noted the physical heaviness that disappears during a feed. My breast was hot, heavy, and tense, and after a while, if I can't breastfeed him, the milk started to leak. So it was a real relief when he liberated me from that pain. The process inside the breast is fascinating. Milk is stored in tiny sacs called alveoli. When your baby starts to suck, hormones cause the small muscles surrounding these sacs to squeeze, pushing the milk into the ducts and finally into the milk pool, where the baby can easily reach it. Dr. Catalin Charley describes this letdown in action. When you put the baby onto the breast and he starts to stimulate the nipples and the areola, then the oxytocin begins to be produced and released. The oxytocin contracts the muscles, and due to that, the mother's breasts start to let down the milk. The baby is not simply sucking, but his tongue makes waving moves, and with that, he squeezes the milk out. Mothers often describe this letdown as a unique tingle. I would describe it as a tingling, stinging feeling, but mentally it is pleasant. Physically, it is kind of interesting. Perhaps the most incredible part of this reflex is how sensitive it is to your emotions. Because the letdown reflex is controlled by hormones, your state of mind directly impacts how easily your milk flows. Dr. Catalin Charley teaches, when the mother is calm, relaxed, and very happy for the baby and has no problem, then this reflex works very well. If the mother just thinks of her child, the milk starts to flow. But if she worries, is distressed, nervous, or suffers from pain, then the letdown reflex will fall back. As one mother confirmed, relaxation is contagious. Oh yes, I always become relaxed too, and I noticed that my baby was at ease as well. It was a pleasant thing. Understanding that your comfort and happiness are literally the keys to your milk flow is a powerful realization. By taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your baby's nutrition. If you found this look into the science of the tingle helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the Parentis Program. In our next episode, we will explore practical ways to master this process in helping the letdown reflex to deliver the milk. We'll see you there. Please note that all the content of the Parentis program is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We encourage you to consult with your gynecologist, pediatrician, public health nurse, or physician regarding any topics covered here. Also, please ensure you read our legal statement.